3, 2, 1, go! Ciao ragazzi, siamo qui oggi a Verona con un fantastico ospite per la nostra Accademia. L'Accademia intervista Darren McKeag, un fantastico artista che sicuramente avrete visto calcare le scene dei social e non solo. Lui è veramente famoso, tant'è che è un ospite speciale qui a Verona e noi non abbiamo perso l'occasione per intervistarlo. Hi Darren!
Ciao!
Welcome in Italy!
Buonanotte!
Buonanotte, buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Oh,
Buongiorno.
Now it's time, it's evening, so now it's buonasera.
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 So welcome in Italy. It's a really great pleasure to have you here in Verona.
I love Italy.
Eh?
I love Italy. Thank you. It's an honor to be here.
So I know you are here since a few days, so you have the chance to walk around in Verona?
Yes,
so?
to see all of the city.
Okay.
Yes, city center, much food, shopping. Yes.
It's your very first time in Italy or what?
No, like my fourth time in Italy.
Great.
Many times in Italy.
Okay.
First time in Verona.
First time in Verona.
Yes.
Okay, great.
I've been all over. Milan, Venice, Bologna, Cinque Terre, Vernazza, Naples, Rome, everywhere.
Oh, you travel more than me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No.
You have seen Italy more than me. Almost.
I love Italy.
Yes, it's a great pleasure.
Yes, yes.
And so now you are in Verona, you are a special guest. What do you think about the show? What do you think about what you have seen, the bikes, the artist scene? What do you think? What's your idea?
I think this is the biggest show I've ever been to.
Really?
Yes.
More than the Americans?
Yes. Yes. This is really big.
Wow.
I think it's difficult to determine how good the show is based on today because it's the opening day, you know, it's beginning day.
Opening day, yes.
Tomorrow, Saturday, much better. But today was a very good day. Today was very good. I sold a lot of art.
Yes, and what about what you have seen? I mean, about the bikes, let's talk about the art, because here we talk about art.
Yes.
So
like, I've only been in this building.
Okay.
I haven't been in the other buildings because I'm here by myself, so it's hard to leave the booth, you know?
Yeah.
But what I've seen in this building is amazing. I love all the motorbikes and the cars.
And also you are in the artist area.
Exactly. That's where I want to be.
Yes, perfect.
Yes, like everyone here has been so welcoming. Very, very helpful.
Great. So, Darren, let's talk about your career. So how old are you and when you start?
I'm very young.
Yeah?
No. I'm 54.
Okay.
Yes.
Almost my age. I'm 61.
Okay. So I started drawing very young.
Okay.
Drawing my whole life.
Okay.
My whole life.
So you start with the pencil, normal pencil?
I start with crayons.
Okay.
And pencil.
Yeah.
And then in school, you know, pencil and pen. And my school homework, I draw all over my homework.
Okay.
I get in trouble from the teachers all the time.
So since you were 10? 12?
Oh, like 5.
5. Really?
Of course. Okay. Draw.
Okay.
And then after high school, I airbrush.
So you start drawing with airbrush also?
Yes.
Okay.
And then tattooing.
Okay.
I still tattoo today. 33 years tattooing.
Oh.
Yeah. But now, for like 15 years, painting like this.
Okay.
Hand
with
painting.
a brush,
Yes.
with a pen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
And which among these different arts gives you more energy, more satisfaction? I mean, it's just a time for each, or all of them gives you a different vibration, let's say?
Yeah. So, I don't airbrush anymore. I no longer airbrush. But I tattoo every day, and I paint like this every day, and I draw every day. Drawing and painting like this is my zen.
Okay.
My take it easy,
Okay. So relax yourself.
Yep, it's very special place. You know, just, when I paint or draw, I don't hear anything. I just enjoy that time.
Perfect.
Yes, so that's what I like the most.
Okay. So I don't know, but the question could be, you start making this kind of draws with the pens, with the pencils or the brushes, because you need new ideas for tattoos, or it was something that grows together? I mean, many tattooists starts doing this just to have samples for the customers.
Right. I have no problem coming up with ideas, no shortage of ideas. I have ideas in my sleep. I like wake up and I remember an idea in my sleep, so I draw it. But
you have to learn me how to do that.
Yeah, it's crazy. Sometimes that's good, sometimes that's very bad, you know, because I don't sleep very much, you know, little sleep. But I always have ideas, but I've been drawing like this my whole life, even before tattooing. But tattooing has just defined my style, you know? You understand? Like,
yes.
Shaped my style.
Okay.
And then the painting also. So it's always been there, but I'm just developing it, you know, making it better and better each day.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
And what's your favorite, I don't mean the style, your favorite subject you like? I see that you are definitely into the custom culture.
Yes.
So wheels, bikes, skulls, wings, all this stuff that of course it's very asked from the people who want tattoo, that style of tattoo. And how you define your style? I mean, it's custom culture, or there is something that you want to say about that?
It is McKeag style, my style.
Okay.
Because I have taken all the years of watching other artists, people who influence me.
Okay.
I put it in this big pot and I stir it around in McKeag art, McKeag style.
Which of them is for you the most
influence? Many tattooers, many painters. You know Rockin' Jelly Bean?
Yeah,
Japanese, favorite artist.
Okay.
Tattooing, Brian Everett,
Okay.
Jimmy Litwa, Jack Rudy, just to name a few, you know?
Yes.
So I take all these influences, but now I'm at a point in my career, what I create is McKeag style, my style, you know? I've always been around cars and hot rods, but I've grown up on and around motorbikes.
Okay.
So I love cars, I've had hot rods. Motorbikes are where my heart is.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you paint also motorbikes, a part of this moment in which you were airbrushing. But right now, I've seen among your picture, you made your design also on tanks, on hoods.
Yes.
So you can work even off the body of the motorcycles.
Yes.
It happens.
Yes. Skateboards, helmets, tanks, vans, shoes. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, a lot of other things too, but I try to focus on this. I try to create what's in my head. I don't do commissions, no commissions.
Okay.
Because
that's interesting.
Yeah, the clients, they get too demanding.
Okay.
They order, and then the next day they like, where's my order? I'm like, hey, take it easy. Like, you know, like, I don't like that. I create what's in my head, and then it always sells.
Okay.
You know, like all my paintings, those are my ideas.
Yeah.
From like being on a motorbike and stuff. That it all sells.
Okay. And what's the strangest thing you have done in your career? I mean, or maybe the strangest object you decorated, something funny you can...
I don't want to say the strangest because I'm a tattoo artist,
okay.
But I have completely decorated a grown man's entire body.
Okay. Completely.
That's not strange, but you know.
Yeah, sometimes happens.
But everything.
Yes.
We tattooed everything. So, you know.
So you have your own book, something you sell, a part of your prints, and of course your...
A website?
not only a website. I mean, do you have your own book or something?
A book?
Yeah.
Okay, so yes,
Sketchbook or
I'm working on a book right now, publishing a book.
Great.
Just full of, it's going to be really big,
Yeah.
really thick.
Of course.
I have thousands of drawings. Maybe the introduction of the book is, you know, me growing up, bicycles, mini bikes, motorbikes,
Yeah.
but then just full of art. So when I sell it, the people, they have so much reference, you know.
Okay, you come from America. Where you come from exactly? From?
Iowa.
Oh, from Iowa.
Midwest.
Midwest.
Yes.
It's very cold, right?
Right now it's very cold. In August and July, very hot.
And that give also to you an influence in your art?
The motorbikes, yes. Yes.
So the motorbike scene?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. But also my world travels, my experiences help me with influence. Yeah.
Great. So, Darren.
Yes.
This is an academy. This video gonna be played on a website of our academy in Italy, and we are gonna push the youngers to start a new work on art scene, which could be this one, or maybe airbrush, or with the brush, or any kind of custom art. So, what would you say or suggest to the youngers that maybe wants to start and love your design and your style? What you could say to them while they are starting, while they are at the first trying?
I would encourage young artists to draw every day.
Every day.
Every day. Don't let anyone discourage you.
Okay.
Growing up, a lot of people say, you can't be an artist. You can't make money being. You need to have a tie and go to office, No, you don't have to. If you love art, then you need to do it every day, It's very important that you draw every day. My daughter, she's 15. She paints. She's an amazing painter. She loves makeup and, beauty stuff. And I'm like, that's what she should, if that's what you love, keep pursuing that. Don't let anyone discourage you and say, you need to have a corporate job, You don't have to.
Right.
Keep drawing and creating art every day. And take all of your influences and create your own style.
Yeah.
And it's very difficult now because of social media. When I was younger, there was no social media.
Yeah,
So
me too.
you maybe have just magazines and in person, where now so many people, they look at social media and they maybe copy it, No, you take that and use it as an
Like
influence.
an idea, yes.
An idea, yes, exactly. Don't copy it,
Yes, that's great. And one of the last questions, through your art, through your style, where you have been? I think all over the world. So
pretty much, a lot. So Mexico, Central America, Nicaragua, Honduras, all over the United States,
okay.
Russia, Japan, England, Scotland, Ireland, Germany, Italy, Switzerland.
And tell us something, I don't want to say strange, but something which is very cool that you find somewhere, I don't know, in Japan or whatever. Let's the watchers dream through your story.
What's very cool,
Yeah.
no matter where I go in the world, people like you guys treat me with respect no matter what I look like,
Yes.
Like, don't misunderstand. Some people, they see what I look like and they avoid me. That's okay. But everyone all around the world is very kind, very, when we go to shows, whatever you need, let us know. That's across the board, all over the world. And that's very cool.
That makes you feel like a worldwide family.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes, exactly. Like when I arrive here, everyone is like, if you need something, let us know. It's very nice.
Okay, Darren, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Let us people where to find your, of course, on Instagram. It's very easy.
McKeag Art.
And over there they can find everything about you.
My web store, everything, Facebook, all of that.
It is a really great present.
I'm honored. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Ciao, ciao. Yes.
Thank you very much.